I have seen the letter from ALA, and I'm glad you asked about it because we should absolutely talk about it. My name is Billy Tarasio. I am an attorney here in Arizona, and ALA has come under fire recently, and their response is very, very interesting. In the letter they sent out, we have a quick paragraph on thoughts and prayers. And then we have recently irresponsible and defamatory statements have been made about the American Leadership Academy by some members of the local media, as well as self-proclaimed social media influencers regarding the open and active Preston Lord police investigation. These individuals must understand that publicly making unbalanced false statements is dangerous and negligent. As a community, we can and should be better. They go on to affirm that they know that they do have a legal requirement to, as mandatory reporters, to report abuse, which is something that I have mentioned. So we need to break this down legally because to me, this seems like an attempt to tell people to shut up, which is not okay. There are 4 elements to defamation, and those 4 elements are 1, a false statement pretending to be a fact. So, regarding that, if you're telling the truth, you're not committing defamation. If you are stating your opinion and you're not stating something as a fact, it can't be defamation. Number 2, the publication or communication of your statement to a third party. Number 3, fault amounting to at least negligence. This is where negligence comes into play. You have to behave as a reasonable person would. And number 4, damages or some kind of harm. So if you are telling the truth, if you are sharing your story, if you are sharing your opinions or things you've seen or things you've experienced, you cannot be committing defamation and you should not be told to stop talking or to be silent. I've got teachers DMing me who work at ALA who say they think ALA is involved in a cover-up. And I did not think that. I was not somebody who thought that. But their behavior, this statement, is to me damaging. What I would expect a school to say is exactly what the Gilbert School District said. We are frightened and upset about the news that our children are in danger. We want to encourage anyone with any information to come forward. We would be happy to work with police to every extent possible to make sure that our community and our children are safe. That is the only reasonable response. And to say that people talking about what's happening to them is hindering the investigation of the Preston Lord murder is not true. First of all, lots of crimes have happened, not just the one to Preston Lord. Lots and lots of crimes. And people are contacting me about those crimes, about sexual assaults, about physical assaults. I want to encourage you to continue to do so because I am working on helping and figuring out a plan so that every single person can get justice.